The United States military has taken a major step toward the future of air combat by awarding Boeing a contract to develop the highly anticipated F-47, a sixth-generation fighter jet under the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. This decision marks a significant shift in the defense industry as Boeing outcompeted Lockheed Martin, the usual frontrunner in advanced fighter jet development. So, what makes the F-47 so special? How will it impact the future of aerial warfare? And why was Boeing chosen over other defense giants? Let's break it all down. What is the F-47 and why does it matter? The F-47 is set to become the backbone of the U.S. Air Force's future combat strategy. Designed to replace the aging F-22 Raptor, the F-47 is expected to feature cutting-edge stealth technology, enhanced maneuverability, and advanced artificial intelligence (AI) capabilities. Unlike previous fighter jets, the F-47 is part of a broader NGAD system, which means it won't just operate as a standalone aircraft. Instead, it will work alongside unmanned drones, electronic warfare systems, and advanced data-sharing networks to dominate the skies. This makes it one of the most sophisticated and adaptable fighter jets ever created. Boeing's big win over Lockheed Martin. For decades, Lockheed Martin has been the go-to defense contractor for America's most advanced fighter jets, including the F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II. However, in a surprising turn of events, Boeing secured the contract for the F-47, proving that it has the technology, innovation, and resources to lead the next phase of aerial combat. Industry experts believe that Boeing's experience with autonomous systems, digital design, and advanced aerodynamics played a key role in this decision. Additionally, the company's recent focus on AI-powered combat technology and next-gen stealth systems likely made its proposal stand out. Game-changing features of the F-47. So, what can we expect from the F-47? While many details remain classified, reports suggest the jet will come with next-level stealth. The F-47 is expected to be even harder to detect than current stealth aircraft, making it nearly invisible to enemy radar. AI-assisted combat systems. The jet will integrate artificial intelligence to assist pilots with decision-making, targeting, and mission planning. Unmanned capability. The F-47 could be operated remotely, meaning it may not always need a human pilot in the cockpit. Hypersonic speed. Extended range. The aircraft is rumored to feature next-gen propulsion systems, allowing it to fly faster and farther than any previous fighter jet. Swarm warfare integration. The F-47 will likely work alongside autonomous drones to overwhelm enemy defenses, changing the way air combat is conducted. What this means for the future of warfare. The development of the F-47 is a direct response to rising global threats, particularly from countries like China and Russia, which are also advancing their military aviation programs. The U.S. wants to maintain its dominance in the skies, and the F-47 is a critical step in ensuring that happens. This contract also strengthens Boeing's position in the defense industry, making it a major player in the development of next-generation fighter jets. Additionally, it could have a significant impact on the company's stock price and future projects. Conclusion. The F-47 represents the future of air combat, combining stealth, AI, and unmanned capabilities into a single advanced platform. Boeing's victory in securing this contract is a historic moment, signaling a new era in military aviation. As more details emerge, we'll continue to explore how this game-changing aircraft will shape the battlefield of the future. Stay tuned for updates and let us know in the comments. Do you think the F-47 will outperform the F-22 and F-35?